Welcome back, kids, to the world of Mystic Drums, and I'm Lorne here with some froggy friends. As always, Jerry's checking in. Yes, Jerry, you brought your big sister, Sari. You look great in pink, and don't forget Carry. Oh, is this your business casual suit? Yeah, she's prepared for today's instrument of the day. Is a doozy. It's a big one. A frame drum. That just means there's a piece of wood bent into the circle to make the frame, and they stretch the skin, the drum head, over that frame. Makes a really nice sound. You can rub it, and you can smack it. And each side makes a different sound. This one's a little bit higher pitch, the clear side. There's a trick with this drum, a little secret inside. We put hundreds of little balls, little beads that can roll around to create an effect that sounds like an ocean. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm at the ocean, I start getting really tired and nod off. You might even hear me snore. Oh, hey, we're in the middle of the show. Can't all fall asleep. Who's gonna play the drums? Carry, Sari, Jerry, what do you have to say for yourself? Time to go. More instruments. Join us at the next show. And don't forget to like and subscribe below. Kapow, kazooie, kabam bam, boom!